Hi guys. Welcome to Breakittup channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install VLC media player. The VLC media player is a free and open source, portable, cross-platform media player software and streaming media server developed by the Videolan project. VLC is available for desktop operating systems and mobile platforms, such as Android, iOS, and iPadOS. Open any browser you are using. In the browser, search Videolan. Click on VLC official site. You can see here there is a download option. Choose your operating system. Click on Download VLC. It gets download. But sometimes the VLC official page is not work. Like this, a website page is not getting loaded properly. I give a link in the description. That link is the VLC file download link page. If the official page is open, you can download there itself. I provide links in the description, check out. After the download is completed, open that exe file. One window will be pop up, click on yes. Language English, click on OK. Click on next. Next. Give the location where the VLC player needs to be installed, or leave where it is. Click on install. It takes some time to install. Guys, you need any help related to software installation, leave a comment, and I can help you. Click on finish. Same installation procedure for all operating systems. VLC player is installed successfully. Choose any video. Right-click, open with the VLC media player. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. More videos. Thank you.